happy? Can you give Teacher Floor a happy smile?
Yes.
Happy smile. Okay, so to begin with our class, let's go up here. Okay, see, we only have 4 words to learn for today, and that is
Page
here.
6.
I want
Lesson
everybody to
2.
listen.
Feelings. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Sick,
2,
tired,
3,
bored,
4.
excited,
Okay. Now we have 4 words to learn. That is in number 1. This is your face when you are sick. Okay? That is your face when you are sick. Everybody, can you repeat after Teacher Florence? Say, sick. Yes, good. And in number 2, that is your face when you are tired. You will say, that is yawn. Everybody repeat after teacher and say yawn. Hoy, that is yawn. You are tired. And then you will say, excuse me, sorry, like that. And that is tired. Next, we have, I am bored. You are bored. You have nothing to do. So you are, I am bored. Okay. Next, we have excited. Everybody, can you repeat after Teacher Florence? Say, excited. Okay, can you show me, kids? Can you show me the face of an excited kid? Can you do like this one? I am excited. Can you do that, kids? Ready? You will say, I am excited. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Good. There you go. That's great job, kids. Okay. Sorry. I was trying to erase. Okay, here. This time we need to listen and say, then practice. So this one is a little bit
Page 6. B.
difficult.
Listen and say. Then practice.
he's sick, she's sick, he's, he is, she's, she is,
1,
He's sick.
2,
He's tired.
3,
She's bored.
4.
She's excited.
Okay, now let's
Page
have
6.
it one by one. Okay, kids and teachers, let us have 4 kids today to do this activity. Okay, so you will tell teacher what happened in each picture. All right, so let's start with the group of Miss Breed and Miss Kabina. Yes, can we have a one kid from you? Or we have 2 kids from you, Miss Breeds, and 2 kids also from Miss Maria to answer or to tell Teacher Floor what's in the picture. Hello, little girl. Ooh, I like your bun. Your hair. I like that. You look pretty. Hi, little girl. What is your name? Maya? Is it correct? It's Maya? Oh, very good. It's Maya. Okay, now Maya, can you tell teacher what happened to number 1? Take a look at the picture and tell teacher Floor what happened. Okay, very good. His sick. One more time. Can you repeat after me and say, his sick? Yay! Good job, Maya. A heart for you. Very good. Okay, good job, Maya. Now, can we have another student? For number 2. Peekaboo. Hello. What is your name? Oh, I wasn't able to hear that very clear. Can you tell me one more time? What's that again? Teacher didn't hear it.
His name is Esteban.
Ah, there you go. Is it Yvonne? Okay, anyways, please tell me or please tell teacher Floor what happened to number 2 picture. Take a look at what happened to number 2. Okay, very good, little boy. His tired. Ooh, look at that boy. Like sleeping on the table. Little boy, are you tired? Okay, so it's like that. He's tired. Very good. Now let's have another student for number 3. Hello. Now, can you tell me what happened to number 3 picture?
She is four.
Okay, very good. Now, I want you to repeat after teacher Floor. Your answer is so good, but let's make it shorter. Okay, Natsumi? Now, can you say, she's bored?
She
Okay, good. A heart for you, my little Natsumi. Is that Natsumi? Yes or no? No, it's not Natsumi. Yes, it's you, my little girl. Thank you so much. A heart one more time. Give a heart to teacher. Wow. Okay, thank you. Now let's have number 4. Okay, teacher will cover everything. Okay, Johan, can you look for teacher? Where is teacher, Johan? Ah, yeah, it's Alistair. Hi, Alistair. Teacher is here. Okay, Alistair, now can you tell teacher what happened to number 4? Ali? Very good. She's excited. Good job. Can you give high five to teacher? High five. Okay, thank you. Now let us have this. Next activity will be this one. And after this, we will have a song. Okay, now listen, ask, and answer, then practice.
Page 7. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Is he sick?
Yes, he is.
Is he sick?
No, he isn't.
Is she sick?
Yes, she is.
Is she sick?
No, she isn't.
Isn't. Is not.
1,
Is she sick? Yes, she is.
2,
Is he sick? No, he isn't. Is he excited? Yes, he is.
3,
Is he tired?
Yes.
Yes, he is.
4.
4,
Is she tired?
No.
No, she
she's not.
isn't. Is she bored? Yes, she is.
Okay. All right. So for this one, we need to have, or to make the question clear, we need to say, is he sick or is he tired? He is for boys and she is for girls. And then your answer will be yes, he is tired, or yes, she is tired, or no, she isn't tired, or no, he isn't tired. Okay, that's how you question and answer a certain problem. Okay, so now let's have only one teacher. Miss Gabina, only one kid. Yes, only one kid for this. Hello. Okay. Now, can you tell me, or can you give me a question and answer for number 1? Question first. Is she, or you will just read this one. Is she sick? Ready, go. And the answer will be yes, she is. Okay, so if your answer will be yes, then it will be is. And if your answer will be no, then it will be isn't. All right? Okay, now thank you, little girl. You can take your seat now. A heart for you. Okay, good. Now let's have another one. One last kid. There you go. What's your name? I don't know what's your name. Oh no. Yes. Okay, girl, can you tell me what, or can you give me a question and answer for number 2? Question first. And then your answer will be No, he isn't. Okay, repeat. Let us repeat one more time. Is he sick? No, he isn't. Okay, good job, Natsumi. Okay, now for our lesson for today, let us have to listen to a song. Let us sing.
Page
And
7.
this one is entitled
D.
He's
Sing.
Excited.
He's excited.
He's excited. He's excited.
He's excited.
He
isn't bored.
Is he sick?
No.
Is he tired?
No.
Is he bored?
No.
He's excited. He isn't
bored.
bored.
One more
I'm
time.
excited. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm not bored. Are you sick?
No.
Are you tired?
No. Are you bored? No.
No.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. I'm not bored.
Okay, so we're using the word he and I am. He's excited. I'm not bored. Okay. Now let us have letter E. So this will be the last topic for today. You need to act, answer, and act, ask, and answer. So for this one, we need to. Oh, only one. I will ask the question and you will answer. Only one. Miss Breeds. Only one kid. Hello, little boy. Hello, young man. I don't know what's your name. Can you tell me? Can you tell teacher?
My name is Johan.
No, you're not Johan. No, you're not Johan. Yes. Hello, little young man. Okay, this time teacher will ask a question for you and you will answer, okay? So it's like this one. It's the same as in letter E, but we will make it personal. Okay? So I will ask a question about you, Johan, okay? So now, are you bored? Johan? Johan, are you bored? No, I am not. Okay? Can you repeat after teacher and say, no, I am not?
No, I am not. No, I am not.
Okay. Very good. One more time. I will ask the question. Are you tired? Are you bored, Johan?
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you, Johan. It's a high five for you. All right, there you go. Okay, so this time, our time is almost over. So I'm gonna share